All right, good morning. Finally, I made it. Sorry for the delay. I will be hosting some guests today. That's why we were trying to set up the audio and so on. Today I am very neutral. I know the market has been going up, and the lower time frame bias is long, but the intermediate time frame bias is still neutral bearish, right? That starts with the supplies that we have up above. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my takeaway from what I did in my pre-market, and is this. I do have the dollar neutral bearish, but it has some support here, and rates have some support right here. If rates come down here and don't bounce, I will be more long bias. For now, I am neutral bearish. I do think the market has the potential to drop to break after 3 days of balancing. The only thing that I don't that don't support the short is that we broke the overnight high from yesterday. Okay, so I want to see how the market behaves at yesterday's COT here at 98.5, and that's here 98.5. I want to see what the internals tells me. Okay. For now, I will be going to the stream screen and see what happens with the internals. Okay. All right, execution tab. There you go. Everything is working fine. We are off. Let's see what's going on here. 4402. There you go. So I have all my things in order here. There you go. Nice. Okay. All right, I'll be hosting two subscribers. They are part of the Discord, and they'll be on the live stream. Each of them have his own way of trading the ES, but I think he's very constructive. He's very helpful. Just trading with other sharing with other traders, even if they're successful or not, is good to share, so you can learn from their mistakes, and they can learn from your mistakes, and we can learn from theirs. Okay. Before we begin, please don't take our trades. We do this for our own accountability, and I hope you like today's stream. I am on, right?
On the live?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're live.
Okay, cool. All right. Yes. So I'm gonna put you guys on in 10 seconds. Okay. There you go. You guys are on. Be mindful that we all need to speak. Hey, welcome MB. You guys can welcome to MB Trader and Trader Natic to the live stream.
Hello all, and good trades to all.
Nice.
Thing's going to take off, buddy. I think go down to 4,400. Don't you think? Test 4,400. There we go, 4,400.
What do you have, Ali? What? Yeah.
I would love to see a pullback on the whole 475 to go short.
You got what, 90? Here's pushing on 99, right? 4,400.
Yeah, round numbers. 98.5 is support, so you can check that out as well.
Yeah, 90, 98, you said?
98.5.
Yeah.
I think we need to see how the market behaves at 43.99, which is the yesterday's high volume node, and that's a potential
Here you go,
area
98.
for it to bounce.
Chance to, I think it's a chance to go up here. Seven would be really nice.
I'm not looking for any long though. I'm just watching how to get in short.
Yeah, short to me is 0175. Once he gets there, rejects. Potential target 43.93 and 3/4. If there is a pullback, this thing's just keep dropping.
It's going, isn't it?
This is what patience pays. Gotta wait.
That's open. That is an open drive, bro. So this is our opportunity to get in this bounce. It's gonna bounce a little bit, I think so, from the COT. Bro, but I would have liked the advanced decline to go sharply lower. What do you say? What? 400, right? Bro, but it didn't go sharply lower. Look how many points it
98.5.
dropped. It dropped 12 points, and
Would have failed.
it went from
Somebody's in.
1200.
I just scalped $50.
Good job.
I figured, I had a 98 touch and we had a 14 point run.
But you faded, right? I wouldn't do that.
Hey MB, do you listen to me? Hey MB,
Okay,
can
here
you
we
listen
go.
to me?
We didn't have, it's not really a green candle there, a little green candle. So we got another red candle coming up.
Yo, Nadik, is MB connected to through the YouTube? Because I don't think he listens.
In the 4,000 tick chart, that was just red, 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 red.
Yeah, is it an undecided one? Yeah, it looks red, but I got a trade on it, so I can't tell.
Right. Close of the day of yesterday seems like possible target for this drop, but
I don't know what he said the dollar's doing.
huge candle on the 15 minutes, man. Ridiculous. 97 right there. I'm gonna look for 175 rejection, or maybe 1.5.
Yes, give me 1 second. Do you hear me? Hello?
Franco, can you hear us?
I can. Give me 1 second. Spider, can you hear me now? Hello? All right. So yeah, I think it figures is a Discord.
Like, you can get a red candle here, or is this thing gonna go green on us?
What?
We need a red candle. It'd be nice to have a red candle here and then get in.
Yeah, let me see if I can adjust here my settings. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna close it. Yeah, I had to close the Discord. Yeah, the audio was not good. We need to do some more adjustments there. I'm gonna focus here on my trades. The bounce is barely to 200, Ali. What is that you like to get in? I think 03 is not bad. Yeah, I think 03. Now do you hear me, Spider? Yeah, I figure Discord was interfering with my audio. Look, I don't know if I want to get in. Look at the tick. I don't know if I want to get in short. And advanced decline did not go something like parabolic to the downside. I don't know. We were trying to do, and we can do it later. After 10, after I take a trade, whatever, so we can share more trades through the Discord. For those who don't know, I have a Discord channel. I don't have the link on the description, but I will put it later on this video so you can join the Discord. And if you like to be live in the YouTube, you can join. Just shoot me an email at tradingfutureslive at gmail.com, and we can set up a date so you can share your voice and trade with us on a voice channel, and we can put it through the YouTube. Bro, I don't know about the short. All right. How do you like 44 3/4, 44 4450? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. And I figure my stop has to be what? Not to the top. I'll have to, yeah. I'll have to risk very little. I'll have to risk very little. The thing is that take and advanced client, what do you say? Like aggressive sellers are coming in at look at 944 candle. from plus 244 to 553. Tick is not going through 600. The only thing is that since we have an open drive, this thing could go with no retracement. Is 44 3/4. It's right here. Well, what is it? It's 4400 and yeah, 4400 and 3/4. Yeah. I don't know if I'll get filled in this trade. Ideally, I would like to see a dip in the tick and then a retracement to my entry. What do you say? Yeah. Yeah. Where do you have the entry?
I have enough for one.
Because of what? The tick? Yeah. That was a risky entry, to be honest. It hasn't gone through zero. Huh?
Look at all this.
Yeah. Now look at the tick. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get in here at yeah, that's my entry. That's my entry. It's just 5 points away. I'm gonna front run this by 1 tick. Probably this. Now, if this area is the COT from yesterday, it should give us some sort of support, right? I don't like the long because of the dollar being in demand and rates hasn't broken any market structure to the downside. It is bouncing from 4.5, right? So if we have a retracement to 4400, that'll be my entry. Now tick is below zero, which is the ideal scenario. Now, trend on the advanced decline is a little bit better. Bro, that's the thing. I have bro, I have 4400, but the best one is, bless you, is 4403. I might move it to 4403. Let's see. I'm gonna take this one anyways. I think the momentum is there can be some push from here. Nice. So the retracement is good on the tick, not going through plus 300. Let's see if we can get filled in this. But I have two entries. I have 4450, and then I have 4403. I'm in it. So it's either 400 or 403. In any case, now 403 is a better entry, but it's inside my area. So this is moment of truth. Tick is at 0. Let's see if it's going to go lower. It's holding up there. So ideally, I want to see the tick going lower. And it's
Sorry.
yeah, it's 88.50. Too far, right? The tick chart is not going through zero. That is not a good sign. Yeah, sellers might get exhausted here. New 1 minute. Yeah, tick is bouncing. I want it to go below zero. There's a lot of selling and no follow through, bro. Oh, there you go. Now, finally, tick chart is going down. Advanced decline does not look bad, but still is positive. So which it is no ideal. It's not ideal, but oh no. Yeah, I'm cutting this off. Need to cut this trade. And yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get break even here. I'm gonna try to get break even and see if I can get in back at 03. I should be able to get a break even here. Should be able, yeah. So I got a break even, and I'm gonna put my entry at 03. Yeah. Now I can be more comfortable and have a better entry. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so I got a break even there. And I'm gonna get in at 03. Tick chart does not look very bullish. I know it's spending a lot of time above, but there's no momentum to the upside. I'm in it. There we go. So I need to see tick chart going below zero if this trade is going to work. There's not much broad market weakness. NQ is pushing higher. This is the last minute of the 15. We might need to wait for the next 15 to have the volatility. Oh, and it's going to be a new 30 minute. I don't know. How much longer? 30 seconds. 30 seconds for the next 15. Yeah, I know. Let's see if it, yeah, the next 15. Yeah, it's pushing higher. We might get stepped out. Tick chart it hasn't gotten below zero, bro. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna record a losing trade probably. Hmm?
Yeah.
You think so? Yeah, but look at the tick chart, bro. It hasn't gotten zero.
A lot of selling.
Uh,
Look at
I know, but
a lot
no follow through on the tick. Look at that. It's just at zero. Bro, not FOMO?
I don't know. Like, footprint.
Oh, nice. Look at the tick. Nice.
I'll take it 01.
Bro, but look at that shit, bro. It's
No way. That was a lot of aggressive.
yeah, it was. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of aggressive selling there. But look at tick chart, bro. Look at tick chart. He hasn't gotten below 600. And so much selling.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Second?
That's the one that you got 03.
Yeah. All right. So if this thing is gonna go down, it shouldn't come back to this 03. So I'm at this point I'm just break even. I don't trust the movement because of I don't trust the move because of the tick chart. That's it. If it goes, fine. If it stops me out, that's fine as well. I don't trust the move. I need to see the tick chart below zero, and it hasn't gotten like substantially below zero. Now my target is the overnight low. It's a little bit better than the previous one, but a little bit more weakness from the Dow, but the Dow is not really important. I want to see the Nasdaq going down. Fangs are just flat. Yeah. And they have some support right there. At yeah, they have some support. Yeah, we're getting to 98, the high volume node from yesterday, and we're bouncing. I don't think it's gonna be easy to break this high volume node, Ale. You have an order?
01. I don't get why they. Oh,
Bro, but look at the tick chart. I don't even trust this trade. How eager are you from get 01? I moved my stop break even because I don't trust it. Sell me this trade. I mean, I'm in it because the dollar and we finally broke and
I think it's literally hovering at
zero.
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 There's no real print above.
Yeah, that's true.
There's no real print above 600, bro. Look at the ADD trending down. It's not making new highs. I mean, like, look at all that selling in the footprint. That's what traded me. Trade. So I'm confident that this trade could at least reach 91 or 90. I had an order 01 and I didn't get filled. It is important to break this. And
Yeah, don't get over your head, bro. Just be patient.
not to get greedy.
I have the overnight low. What do you say? Like 93? What do you say? Like 93? Probably.
Wait for 6 below 600. That's potential.
For some exhaustion or something?
Your target is 90?
Is 90-50.
Bitch. Don't listen if you have a full by yourself.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, the thing is this, bro. 92 probably. Yeah, we're getting to 93. 93 is sensitive.
Nice.
Alright, so we hit target. That was a good trade.
Bro, how did I not get
That was a good trade.
Shit.
Alright, the first support is at 87.50. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, it's slowly getting better. Slowly getting better, you know. Just focusing on the process and not on the money.
Yeah.
Although I made some money today. I did make some money. I made some money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, 15, 16. 16 accounts. 16 accounts. 16 accounts. Yeah, $1,000. Not bad. Yeah. Slowly.
It
Yeah.
doesn't, for me.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. The best part, the overall best was that I got in at 4,400, and I said, now this thing is changing. I got a break even, and then I got in back at 03. Now I was sort of like scared of this spike, but yeah, it ended up working. That's fine. Thank you.
You're getting better, buddy.
Yeah. We're gonna make it. I don't want to get cocky. Just focus on the process, on the tick, reading the tick, reading the tape, reading everything, bro.
I have my entry at 01. It touched 01. And it didn't get filled, bro.
And you were
I
on
should have just gone market, honestly. Once I saw this on the footprint, like this spike, and like, bro, do you see a footprint? You didn't see a footprint. Look at the footprint.
I was,
bro, that's look at that footprint.
Yeah, from 1,200 to minus 800.
Bro,
Wow.
that's the footprint that you want to see. That's the selling that you want to see.
That's very aggressive selling.
And I called it out, but I didn't get in market. That's like a market entry.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, bro.
¿Cuánto dijiste en el franco?
120.
Wow. Make it.
Yeah, we're making it.
Like, fuck it.
Yeah, no cockiness. Yeah. Oh shit. Let me go back to this.
Are you working today?
It looks like early workout.
Bro.
I'll show you both entries. How did I get both entries?
I don't know, you
Yeah,
Okay.
because tick chart
you
was
changed your chip like right away.
yeah because tick chart was not going below 0. I needed this. I needed the tick chart to go below 0, and at 9:56 a.m. I see the tick chart going below 0, and then it bounced above 0, and then is when I moved my break even.
And it was not printing like above.
Yes. But I'll tell you, logging my trades from yesterday and in the previous day, I realized that I got in very early, very very early. So I'm telling you that I could have gotten 44.01 in this one right here. I had an entry 44.01 early at 9:44, but that wouldn't have worked because I would have gone to 94, and then the retracement came, right? um so today did not work, yesterday did work, but the safest entry um was on the retracement, and I did have a signal, I did have the footprint signal.
What? On this retreat?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So yesterday we did have some sort of behavior like this one. We did have, but I got so much earlier that I hit target in the first leg down, right? But ultimately
Then it came back and
the retracement came.
Yeah, but it didn't go to your entry though.
It did not yesterday, but
Yesterday.
today I would have
Oh,
been
yeah,
I would have been stopped out.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's stopped out break even, or I don't know, after 5 points and not seeing footprint and not seeing the
What
tick
was your
chart
first entry? Oh,
that one
oh,
at
yeah,
44
yeah,
at 44 9:44. I use this Pearson. I use this thing called Replicanto, this thing, the software. By the way, I have it in another computer. If you trade Apex, you can use you can buy the accounts and trade through Tradeovate. I understand Tradeovate has its own built-in a replier, right? How do you say that? So you can trade more than one account and link them, right? Sorry about my English, bro. Yeah, replier, whatever. But I use a software called Replicanto. It's made by Flowbots. It is like $250 for 2 computers, but I have more than 2 computers. I have this one to the left is a virtual server in the laptop that I have here behind me. And I'm ready to go with more virtual servers, so I can trade more accounts.
have been a market entry. God damn it.
No worries, bro.
We are getting.
Yeah,
We're seeing. We're not just seeing the charts better. We're just seeing.
yeah, reading the context is
What was your initial? What was your stop?
I don't know. Go to the. I think it was like a weight somewhere around there. Bro, but the entries were so clear. The entries were so clear. I want you to see the footprint at 9:34, please. 9:34 a.m. That one.
100 to 71 volume.
Hmm? And my entry was a yellow line. Look at the yellow line. What is that? The yellow numbers.
Wait.
Above. The yellow numbers. That right there. Yeah.
3.
Yes, that's my entry.
What are the yellow numbers?
The highest volume in the candle.
Oh.
That is my entry.
Yeah, we're starting to read everything better. The more you look at the footprint, the more you understand it more.
Yeah,
you try to find the edge. We don't really have
Nadik, if you're there, I can put you right now through Discord. Do you want to do it now that I took a trade and I am more relaxed and less stressed out? Dollar y mira el 10 year. Look at the 10 year. And now we have more steepening on the curve. We do have the 10 year going up. I'll tell you. You have the 10 year going up. Going off 0.5%, 22 basis point, and the 2 years going up 10 basis points. So that's steepening of the curve. That's generally very negative for the equity markets. That's a correction happening right there, and the dollar is just hitting demands. Now, if we break below, then yes, the dollar probably will push the market up. But for now, the environment is just sideways down. Like I have some supports here at 87.75, but I don't trust it. I don't trust them. Momentum now is shifted. finally. Yeah. So tick is finally printing more candles below. And look at the advanced decline. You know why the advanced decline is not even negative? Look at the Russell. Russell still has a green candle. See that? What? Yeah. That means that the majority of stocks are, well, they're just getting to zero, but that will translate on the Russell being more negative, right? Nice. That's good, bro. But I'll tell you, if something is less bearish, is NQ. The thing is that it's so volatile that you can grab money faster than the ES. But if you see this chart, let me show you this. This is for equity markets. Look at the NQ. The NQ is a less bearish. Look at the ES. This one is flat. The Dow is the one that is definitely more bearish. I have no idea. Probably the trades of the weeks. Huh? I have few good trades. Mm-hmm.
But I think you should that video. I compared last month.
Oh yeah. That should be something, right? Did I do it this month or no?
What?
I
No,
did.
you just talk about last one.
Oh yeah. Rico 17.
Incluyendo a Roberto. 17. Dice.
Dice.
Bueno, incluye.
Sí.
15.
Hice,
15
no, hice,
fondeadas.
no, hice 16, pero hice doble en la mía. Ah, sí, hice 15 fondeadas. I'm gonna go make a coffee. I'm coming back in a few minutes. All right, we are back. All right, what do we have here? All right, so ES is below. So it didn't bounce from this support. Now we are reaching the 85 level.
Todos marico.
No, they didn't reply, bro. No. Bro, you're just getting an antidepressant from there or what? A
No, I
coping
haven't done it in a
strategy?
while actually. I
Mm,
haven't done it in a
nice.
I do feel a little frustrated because I didn't a little bit more confident in the market. And also a little frustrated because I had an order at 01 and it did not let me in.
And it literally touched it,
It
right?
literally touched that. But yeah, bro, like I'm reading. Maybe my pre-market is not good, but I'm starting to read the market intraday much better. And the fact that I noticed I was able to spot in the footprint like that fire absorption and not be able to react to it properly. Like once you see something like that, it's automatic market, honestly. And I was not able to take here.
Do I feel to take another trade? I'm not gonna take one, and I'm not gonna take another trade, but I could sim trade just because of my PNL, and I just want I'm okay with the money that I made. Um, but I think they can be there can be more opportunities. Um, if we reach like 94 and the internals are still aligned, I think 94 is a good area to short again. But like I said, I I I am either inside a trade where price action is right now. I am either short from above and just waiting for my target to get hit, or just waiting patiently for another entry. Like 80 and 94 is not a bad entry. Is a retest from this 15-minute, but we already had one retest. Okay, we already had this one. Um, like I said, I will need the internals still aligned. A tick chart is textbook for a short. It hasn't gone above zero since 10 o'clock. Advanced decline is bearish, but it's not very aggressive bearish. Okay. And you can see it off of the Russell. Russell is negative, but not going down sharply. Like yeah, it retraced all the move from pre-market and so on, but still not going below yesterday's low. And I do have some supports. I do have these yellow lines are the high volume node being created off of the sideways from previous days. So the entire week we're creating this high volume node. So I do expect the market to have a bounce somewhat from 43.80 around there, regardless of the internals, right? Regardless, I'm not taking that trade. Not every zone is for me to take a trade. And then I have some supports at 82. Then I have 80. I have 78. I have 75. I want to see how prices approach these levels and what the internals are saying. Bro, this 15-minute candle, Ale, this 15-minute is higher volume even than the open. Wow.
Which?
The 10 a.m. The one that opened at 10 a.m. Yesterday's lows is where? Yeah. Well, I'll tell you. The where's the extension line? Oof, 61, and we will be within the ATR. But now the ATR is contracting. The ATR is going down. No, vale, me estoy convirtiendo en la way. Sí, ¿verdad? Marico, greens are support, reds are resistance.
Is that what intraday support?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the yellow is a COT for the week. For the week, no, for the
area. Range.
For the range, yeah. And the blue is a COT for yesterday, and that's it. And the regular gray ones are demands or supplies. Sorry, man. I know it gets confusing, but let me get rid of one of these supports. Oh, the one that should be on is 82.25. Yeah, so this one we can get rid of that one. Yeah.
They should get rid of one of the 80s. 88. What is the one?
Oh yeah, it's yeah.
Yeah, the overnight.
This one.
Oh.
No, 6 people. I mean, I figure I don't care how many people come to the YouTube. I just need like loyal people, right? That come every day and we can trade together. I don't need friends from YouTube. I just need people that help me be better. That tells me, look, the market is against you and you're trying to whatever, short, long, whatever. And I think we can help a lot of people if we get better. Spider, you there? Did you take any trade? I'm gonna share the link for the Discord.
Whoever wants.
Um, nice. So you took the same trade I took. That's good. Yeah, the setup was there. Where was your target? Don't say that. Say that you made a mistake and you need to correct it. But you need to find a trading reason for you to hold, right? What is your target? Mid 90s, mid 90s. Okay. Okay. Um do you have like an opposite area, a support or something? No, I'm starting to realize that when the retracement happens before retest of that low. Yeah, right here. Got it. Yeah. But look, if you're with the direction of the day, which I think you were, right? Because I was shorting as well. Um, you will have momentum on your side. When you have momentum on your side, opposite zones tend to fail, right? So you need to like say, all right, it is what it is. This is my target, right? I think it's gonna go to this level. I do the same thing. If you see my trades for the week, they went at least double of what I made. That doesn't make me discouraged. I just want to learn how to catch larger moves, right? But don't get discouraged. The most difficult thing is just to read the market, read the direction for the day. Now, after you know the direction or you think the direction is correct, then the second thing you gotta find, and these words are for myself as well. Like second thing you gotta find is location, right? And with those two things, you have like 80% of the work. Um, get me.
The loser wins.
Um, if you want to hear some encouraging words about what you just told me, get this one. Get this one. Is best loser wins. Um, he's a high stake trader, and I am his Telegram. I put him yesterday. I don't know if you heard him, but he's up, I don't know, thousands of dollars, and then he will get a break even trade because he goes for a lot. Um, and the book has helped me to understand that the market always um goes beyond with expectations. If you think the market is gonna go 2%, nah, it's probably gonna go 6, or the other way around. If you think the market is gonna drop, yeah, I could drop 10%. It could drop 20%, right? Because the market over exaggerates every move because we're emotional, right? And people are buying, and when they buy, they don't care. They want to buy, right? And the move prices so much um faster and lower of anyone's expectation. So I think is very good. Tom Howard. I don't even know how to say his name. Hugard, yeah. But look, I have that too somehow in the back of my head. Yeah, I want to just grab the money, and I need to get better. Not because I want to catch 50 or 60 point move. I rather just catching 10 points every day consistently for years than just catching 60 points once or twice a month, right? So it all depends on your goals. But or let's say you caught 8 points and you want to go 15, right? Just stretching out your desire to just close the trade and put a test on you. Just do it because just either just walk away from the computer and it is what it is, or set and forget, or just force yourself to just do it a little bit until you get that muscle. So and you know what? It's a good practice for that. Um, take cold showers. Where do you live, Spider? Are you in the U.S.? Cold showers are so good. New Jersey. Oh yeah, so water is very cold there. Here in Miami, even on winter time, the water is not very cold. I mean, it gets a little bit colder, but if you get cold showers or cold plunges, whatever, now you get so uncomfortable that you want to get out, but you force your body to stay inside, and that's a good practice for trading because sometimes subconsciously, we're set up in certain ways, and we need to change that, right? Because we want to be profitable. But doing this type of exercises, like to oblige to make you do things that you don't want to do. Yes. Yeah, no. I kid you not. I kid you not. Like cold showers just are awful. Like I hate them, but I understand that I from time to time I need to do it because I just want to have control over my body. I don't want my body to dictate what I'm going to do. I want to be the leading one. I want to be the leader, not my body. And the subconscious mind is your body. You're gonna end up doing whatever your body wants, your subconscious mind wants. But if you train that to just obey whatever you want to do, and you know you ought to do it, you have to do it. But some subconsciously you're not ready for it, right? So you need to uh start working slowly until you can just get rid of them, not touch the mouse, and let the trade play out. And if it works, fine. If it doesn't work, you're either break even or full loss. Or 1 hour is not gonna hurt you, right? Yeah. Look how that can help you, because cold tolerance, you can build up cold tolerance, right? But if you're very intolerant, like if you're sensitive, that's gonna help you even more. Just do the exercise. Do the thing. You'll see how that will make you um have thoughts and stuff like, what am I doing? This is bullshit, whatever. Um, but if you resist 3, 4, 5 minutes under the shower, a cold shower, that could be a good exercise. Yes. Yes, but temporarily. That's yeah. Don't say um in the moment is different. You can change. you're not like that forever, man. What? Huh? No, Ali. It's not as simple. My cousin here is is saying like just hold on to it. And like no, it's with practice, right? It's not just tell the people just stop doing that. No, I don't tell my kids stop doing that and magically she's gonna stop doing it. No, it's just slowly you build up that muscle. It's especially in trading, especially in trading. For years, I knew what I had to do in trading for years, and I didn't do it because subconsciously I was not ready. Um, just give yourself the opportunity to change, bro. You can change. Anyone can change. I don't care if you trade like I trade. Like you don't have to trade like I do. Um, if you trade EMAs, I think you could. I don't like EMAs, personally, but some people can make money using EMAs, right? They have a tremendous good risk management, whatever. I don't know. They should have something, right? But I think anyone can learn, and change to get better. Yes, it will take time. I promise you, it will take time. Probably weeks or months. But if you don't start today, you're not gonna change. Period. I took some time off in January because I decided to break out my old self in trading, my old trading habits. I took 6 months off, and we were not talking about um we were not talking about just not holding on to my trades or making too little money. No, no, no. We're talking about blowing accounts monthly, right? And in being in this vicious cycle of getting funded accounts and then blowing them, right? Looking for the quick fix, the quick withdraw, whatever. And then I decided, like, look, it's either I change or I need to stop doing this because there's not going. I am not going to anywhere if I don't change. So I took some time off. I had the house, so I bought the house, and then I spent some time working in the house, and then slowly working on my trading. Studying and reviewing and not trading and reality. So I came back in YouTube in June, right? When I started in June, I sucked. Like I was hitting my threshold, my daily loss limit, like every other day. But then slowly, I was like, all right. I mean, you have to do the work. Just forget about the money. Just do whatever you have to do. Learn how to trade, and if all these gurus, right, that tells you that you need to focus on the process instead of the money, and I'm talking about billionaires, and this is the mindset work from Carol Dweck in Stanford. That's a tremendous good book. It's a very good book. If that what she says in the book is true, I should improve. And I am improving. I am improving big time. I'm reading a lot better the market, and my risk management is a lot better. My losing trades are smaller. My winning trades are bigger. I'm not where I want to be, not even close, but I just need to keep working, keep
Brick by
working.
brick.
Yeah, brick by brick, like my cousin says, day by day. And when I have a losing trade, I have a losing trade. Like, it is what it is. Like I'm not gonna win every trade, right? Um, um, yeah, yeah. We get. I mean, the market is designed to fool you and fool me and for everybody, right? Like smart money, quote unquote, smart money has algorithms and supercomputers just trading this thing to fuck you and fuck me, right? And I just read it off of the Bellafiore's book, and that book was written in 2012. Can you figure now what they can do with AI, whatever? Um, but there's always opportunity, like he says. If you jump in where the algorithms are fucking other people, you become part of the professional sector, right? There's always excuses, like, and in the past, I was very frustrated, but I was very frustrated with myself. I never said the market did this and it's market's fault or it's everybody's fault. I always said my freaking fault. I'm not doing the right work. I'm not, logging my trades. And not only logging your trades, logging your trades and analyzing what do you do. What were you thinking? What was your decision matrix at the time of taking the trade, right? Yes. Look, I couldn't have changed on my risk management without a limit on my daily risk, my daily loss. I have no access to the password. If I lose today, if I lose $80, I will be kicked out of the account. No more trades, and I will have to get my rage, my frustration, my negative emotion somewhere else and not in the market. And that's the important thing, that you need to live to trade another day. Because after you, so the example for me is, okay, if I lose $80 or $100, is something that, yes, I'm gonna be very frustrated at the moment, but nighttime, 6, 7 p.m. when I'm relaxed again, I will just see a minus 100. It won't be a account blown or 5,000 negative, etc. Right? So I will have the how do you call that? I will have the environment and all the conditions for me to just come back tomorrow without having that in the back of my head. Look, I did this. I just blew an account, and I have spent X amount of money, and I have to pay bills, etc. Okay. Yeah, I think everyone, every trader needs to have some limits. Now, I don't want to have limits my entire, trading career, but I might have to. I don't trust myself. That's the honest truth. I don't trust myself. And um I know Matthew Perry says this in the book. Oh no, the interview that the lady was asking him, how do we know you're not an addict? And he says, well, when I said that I'm cured, right? That I'm already cured. I don't have the risk. I do have the risk of blowing an account if I just get emotional and over trading and oversizing, right? These accounts have 15 contracts potentially to be traded whenever I want, 15 minutes. So it doesn't take too much to lose $5,000 with 15 minutes, right? So I understand that I had a problem and I need to uh, be able not to trust myself so I can thrive when I trade, right? Just be honest with myself. Like, be honest. Yeah. All right, guys. That's it for me. The market is bouncing. I don't have any other setup, nor I just want to take the risk. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you think you find value in these live streams, please consider subscribing to the channel and share it to other people. Share it to your friends, your family, whatever, to see if we can grow it and help more people. If I can help one person a week or a month, that'll be um, that'll be it for me. That will make my day. Okay. And also, you guys help me big time being accountable, and accountability is one of the requirements to be a professional trader, right? All right. Thank you for being here. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.